If you're working on cars, bikes, or machinery, a cordless ratchet can save you time and effort. In this video, we'll look at the top 5 cordless ratchets available on Amazon right now. Let's start with the Makita 18-volt LXT cordless ratchet, model XRW01. This tool stands out for its incredible speed, offering up to 800 RPM, significantly faster than most of its competitors. What makes it even more versatile is the dual anvil system. You can switch between 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drives, which means it covers a wide range of applications without needing to change tools. While it maxes out at around 35 foot-pounds of torque, which is moderate, it's designed to speed up removal and installation in tight spaces where hand ratcheting is a pain. It's lightweight, comfortable to grip, and powered by Makita's well-established LXT battery platform, making it a natural choice for anyone already invested in Makita's ecosystem. For fast-paced mechanics or anyone working on light to medium-duty tasks, this ratchet is a productivity booster. Next, we have the Milwaukee M12 3/8 inch cordless ratchet, model 2457-21. This tool has become a go-to in many auto shops and home garages because of its excellent balance between torque, size, and dependability. The M12 delivers 35 foot-pounds of torque, but its real strength is the compact form factor and slim head design. It excels in tight engine compartments and underdash areas, where a traditional ratchet just won't fit. It's part of Milwaukee's M12 platform, known for its reliability and wide range of tools. The built-in LED work light and battery fuel gauge add to its user-friendly design. Mechanics appreciate how this tool handles everyday tasks without being overly bulky or heavy. It's a great blend of performance and accessibility, especially if you're frequently working in tight quarters. Our third pick is the DeWalt Atomic 20-volt Max brushless 3/8 inch cordless ratchet, model DCF513B. This tool is built for power and durability. It boasts a brushless motor and delivers up to 70 foot-pounds of torque, making it one of the strongest ratchets in its class. The DeWalt Atomic line is known for compact size paired with high performance, and this ratchet is no exception. It's ideal for breaking loose tough bolts and speeding through repetitive fastening. Its variable speed trigger gives you precise control, and the brushless motor ensures longer tool life with less maintenance. If you're looking for a heavy-duty cordless ratchet that still fits in smaller spaces, the DeWalt Atomic model offers serious muscle without compromising maneuverability. It's also compatible with the rest of DeWalt's 20-volt Max battery lineup, making it a great addition to your tool arsenal if you're already using their platform. Coming in fourth is the rigid 18-volt brushless 3/8 inch cordless ratchet. This model delivers 55 foot-pounds of torque and operates at 250 RPM, making it a balanced option for both speed and power. What sets Rigid apart is its excellent service plan and durability. The tool features a reinforced housing, brushless motor, and an ergonomic handle that makes extended use comfortable. Whether you're working on suspension components or assembling engine parts, this ratchet holds up well under regular shop use. It's also compatible with Rigid's 18-volt battery system, which is widely available and known for its strong performance. For users who want a professional-grade tool without the highest price tag, the Rigid ratchet delivers strong value and reliability. Finally, we have the KIMO 12-volt cordless ratchet wrench set. This model is a favorite among budget-conscious buyers and DIY enthusiasts. It provides 40 foot-pounds of torque and operates at up to 400 RPM, which is impressive for a 12-volt model in this price range. The KIMO kit includes 2 batteries, a charger, and a carrying case, offering excellent value for money. It's lightweight and compact, making it ideal for light-duty mechanical work, especially in tight areas. It also features an LED work light and a built-in safety lock switch to prevent accidental activation. While it may not have the longevity or raw power of the more premium models, it's a fantastic starter tool or backup ratchet for those who don't need industrial-grade performance but still want to get jobs done quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching. With the right cordless ratchet, your work gets faster, easier, and a whole lot more efficient. See you in the next video.